National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 6:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Newton, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include
A tornado warning has been issued for Carroll County, Coweta County, and Fulton County, effective until 6:55 p.m.
Roscoe, Thomas Crossroads, and Madras. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see any damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Doubleheader.
To the threat of severe weather. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for eastern Upton County in west central Georgia, northeastern Talbot County in west central Georgia, north central Taylor County in west central Georgia until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado